Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals and welcome back to my channel. I am here to plan out my next sort of 3 months of kits, so September, October, November. I have already put some in here in a previous video, but I just want to go through and have another look. So I'm actually going to just flick to next week, which is this coffee shop kit, which the plan with me you'll have seen on Monday, whatever kit I decided to use for that. And I'm just going to pull out the rest of them that I've got lined up for the next few weeks, and I'm just going to reassess whether I want them, where I want them, etc, etc. Now I've got a few more kits in and stuff. I'm just sort of sorting them into piles at the moment of what shop they're from, just because I like to try and space out shops as well. I don't have very much planned out, and that's just New Year's, so that's fine. So that's everything out that I had planned in. So I'm now just going to go through my other kit album and pull out anything that I want to try and use. That's going to go into December, I think. So let's just put that to one side. I don't know when I'm going to use that. Maybe I should plan out December as well. Nah. I'm going to pull out things I might use, and then we'll go from there. I don't know whether I'm going to a wedding or not this month, so I'm a bit mixed on what to do about that. I won't necessarily use all of these ones I'm pulling out, but I'm just pulling out any that I might want to use. I don't know. I'm going to pull extras out, and I probably won't use them all, but I want to pull them all out for now. They're saved for special occasions. Defo don't want that. That's a monthly budget kit. I'm saving that for next June, I think. Not going anywhere. Not expecting any babies to be born. I might be going to a wedding, which I'm not sure yet. I've not had an invite, so I'm going to go with them, probably not. But I'm going to put it there anyway. Foodie, I'm going to save. I should have used Foodie this week, actually. We went to a food festival. Cat Cafe, I definitely want to save. Yeah, I'm going to pull that out as well. And then, that's like a December-y kit, but do I leave the two Christmassy, wintry ones? I think I'm going to leave that and do like December, January, February at some point. So I'll leave that for now. Right, cool. So, other kits I know are coming are, I want to use one with, I've got one for Halloween week coming, and I've got one for the week of my nephew's birthday coming. So other than that, I think I'm pretty flexible. And we are working from this last week in August. So what have we got? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, maybe 14 kits. So I have, maybe I should have grabbed some pieces of paper for this, hang on. Okay, so I've got these 3 for the 3 kits that I think I'm going to use. So if you've seen the sneak for the August, I think it is Plannerface Mystery. It looks like it's going to be a bonfire night theme. So I want to use that the 1st for the 5th of November, so that's going to go there. Then Halloween kit, I'm going to use, I just need to check the dates because these are last year's dates. So yeah, it goes Halloween and then it goes straight to that. And then my nephew's birthday is the 18th of October, which this month is on a Monday. So is that the week before Halloween? It is. So basically those 3 weeks are the 3 weeks I've got kids coming for. Cool. Right, other things that are happening this next few weeks is my sister's birthday, which is that week. And I had planned out for my sister's birthday this Wizardry Cafe kit, and I think I'm going to stick with that because it's like Harry Potter-ish related without being Harry Potter related, and it's like autumn colours, so we're going to stick with that. Other kits that I definitely want to like put in, I want to use this for the first week of fall, which, when does autumn start? It's the week after that, so I'm going to put that in for the first week of autumn. I think that's what I'm going to do. Oh, except that's the weekend I'm going away with Beth and Sophie, isn't it? Yeah, so I'm not actually going to do that. So scratch that idea. For the week going away with Beth and Sophie, I don't know what to use. Right, let's sort these out into like, these are properly autumnal colours to me, those four. That's what they want to be. I feel like this is more like November getting into like winter proper. I don't know. I feel like that's what I want to use that for. So like wants to be somewhere in November maybe. I'm not sure I'm actually going to use this anymore because I was going to use it for the end of Bake Off. When does Bake Off start? Oh, let's talk about this week as well. Oh, damn it. Okay, I'm going to save that for now. I'm going to put that off to the side. Some people are using this for like Black Friday weekend, and I think I'm going to save that as well. So, I feel like autumn to me is like, September's more like anytime kits with a bit of autumnal vibe to them. October's more like proper autumn kits, and November's like late autumn kits. So I feel like Cozy Autumn definitely needs to be in October or November. So I'm going to put that in for this week for the 12th of October. Maybe I should use Natural actually, because there's that like homey vibe for our weekend away, like our little afternoon tea break. Or yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do for our week away in September, which is this week, isn't it? There. So I don't know what to do. This is proving hard for me. If I'm going to use this, it needs to be in October, but I'm not sure I am going to use it anymore. Because like all my October kits, unless I put that there. Oh, that's Felix. No, Felix's birthday is the next week. Unless I use that there. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. Why am I struggling so much this time? Oh, geez, right. Let's put Gloria in. Let's put Gloria in there. That's fine. And I feel like this is more of a like early autumn kit. So let's use that the first week of October. And then use this there. Yeah, and then we've got Nephew Halloween. Yeah, that's fine. And what we're doing with the rest of September. So we've got next week, 1 week there, and then 1 week there. I think one of them can be Sage, which is this kit here, because it's quite like autumn colours. Gives me autumn vibes. In fact, so does Coffee Shop. Maybe I should put these both in September. But I don't want to put Coffee Shop next to this Coffee Magic. So let's put Sage there. I've not got a kit for next week at the moment though. Is anything happening next week? We're going back to guides. That's about it. Put that in there. And where does that leave us? Right, I'm just going to flick through. So we've got next week to fill still. And we've got that one, that one, that one, that one. That one, that one. That one, that one. And then we've got those 2 weeks at the end of November. 3 weeks at the end? 2 weeks at the end of November there. And I said one of these was going to be, I think I'm going to do that on the very last week of November. That Josephine Bow Designs one. And then, so I've got 1 week there to fill still. But I think I might leave that for now and see what we get mystery kit wise or what artwork comes out there. So I've just got next week really. Don't want to use Foodie, don't want to use Cat Cafe, don't want to use Happy Place, don't want to use So Happy. No, 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 no. Oh, definitely not. No, no. Right, definitely don't want to use any of those next week. Maybe I just use this for next week. But kind of want to use... kind of want to save that for a week we're doing something on the house. Maybe I'll use Coffee Shop next week. And use this for like the start of October. Does that work? Maybe. Maybe. I'm not like convinced by this at all. So that'll be Coffee Shop next week. And I'd have Sage Dreams. And we've got Coffee Magic from Colourful & Co. Natural from Strawberry Lime Designs. Witch Please from Plannerface. Kick Up the Dust from Colourful & Co. Cozy Autumn from Plannerface. And we've got the Nephew artwork, which is Rhymer Plans artwork by Colourful & Co. Halloween kit, which I'll either get it from... I know what art I want to use. I haven't decided which shop I'm getting it from. Then August Mystery Kit from Plannerface. That. I've got one gap there. And Wish Upon a Star. And then we go into December. What's the first week of December? Yeah, that is like majoritively December. So that'll be like 1 Christmas kit, 2, 3, 4. So actually, I might as well put in my Christmas kit because I'm 99% sure I'm going to use this festivities for Christmas week. I'm like 99% sure I am. So that can go in there. So yeah, where does that leave me? So I've got these 2 kits that haven't gone anywhere, these 4 kits that haven't gone anywhere, but I just don't think I want to use them at the moment, so I'm going to pop those off to the side. These kind of are more spring colours to me. This, I feel like it needs to be saved for when I'm going to be playing a lot of games, and I just don't feel like that's going to be in the next couple of months. And that I want to save for doing housework, renovation stuff. So am I happy? So we've got... I think I'm happy. So let's put these away, the ones that I'm not using. So Foodie I'm saving, I should use this week, as I said, Food Festival. Cat Cafe, Happy Place, and we're going to put Shopping Spree in there. Yeah. Then So Happy, and then we've got Life's Batter with Cake. Then we've got the Black Friday, Cyber Monday mystery kit there. We've got I Do, Rainbow Baby, Jet Setter, Pride at Home, mystery kit there. Got Jade by Strawberry Lime Designs, and we're going to put Gamer in front of that. And then, so yeah, so the front section is all Plannerface. I don't know whether I've ever explained my organisation here to you. So the front bit is all Plannerface. This little section is Colourful & Co, which I haven't got very many at the moment, but that is my Colourful & Co section. This is sort of anything else. So we've got Strawberry Lime Designs, and then we're going to put this little Friendly Designs kit in. And there. Then this back section is like special events. So we've got like camping and another baby kit there, which is why at the Plannerface section there's some at the back, because they're the same, they're like special events. So that's my kit collection, and that's still quite bulky, and I'm not enjoying how bulky this is. I'm kind of saving most of the kits for something, like save that for the next time I go to a food festival. I want to go to a Cat Cafe when you use that. I'm saving that for Plannerface anniversary next year. I just don't know when to use this, but these bring like spring, summer. That's going to be used this winter. I need somebody to get married. Baby kits. I'm going to save that for next June for Pride. Need to go away. Then for like chilled out relaxy week, that's like spring, summer colours. This is kind of autumnal colours, but I want to be decorating for it, so I'm leaving it for now. Another baby kit and a camping kit. So yeah, so here's what we have planned out. So we've got Coffee Shop by Plannerface, and then Sage Dreams by Plannerface, got Coffee Magic by Colourful & Co, Natural by Strawberry Lime Designs, Witch Please by Plannerface. Then we've got Kick the Dust Up by Colourful & Co. We've got Cozy Autumn by Plannerface. We've got the Nephew kit, which is going to be from Colourful & Co. We've got Halloween, which will either be from Colourful & Co. or Plannerface, not sure yet. We've got Plannerface Mystery Kit, Gloria by Strawberry Land Designs. We've got One Gap, and we've got a Josephine Boat Designs Starlight, and that takes us to December. So yeah, that is my kit organisation for the next few weeks, months, 3 months. Yeah, I think I need to buy my September month. I know, October. I'm on to October monthly. Cool. So yeah, that's all I have for this video. That's the next 3 months of kits. I'll be probably doing another one of these around November when I'm deciding December, January, February-ish. So yeah, that's all I've got for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment, like down below if you did. I love these sorts of videos, people like talking through while they're choosing kits. I know I don't always have the most logical reasoning, but that's what I do. So yeah, comment, like down below if you enjoyed it. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!